Sino po si Superman? Hindi nyo rin po ba alam?
Yun ang call sign ni Mayor. Doon may radyo pa kami. Superman.
At least you confirm
Yes, Your Honor.
that Superman is Mayor Duterte.
Yun ang call sign niya sa radio.
Yes, and he is actually called Superman by DDS. Do you confirm that?
I do not know, ma'am. I do not know.
Hindi
Sa
niyo
amin
po
lang yan,
alam?
ma'am, sa radio. Sa radio, ma'am. Yan ang call sign niya sa radio. Sa amin yun.
Everybody in DDS call Mayor Duterte as Superman.
Sino pong DDS, ma'am?
Mr. Buenaventura,
Yes, Your Honor.
are you not confirming to the Quadcom the existence of the Davao Death Squad?
Narinig ko lang yan, ma'am, dahil ang nagbigay ng pangalan yan is media.
Did you watch the Senate investigation where the President appeared?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you watch him confirm that there is Davao Death Squad?
Siya po, Your Honor.
Yes,
Siya po ang may sabi.
did you watch him confirm?
Yes.
Napanood niyo po ba yun?
Yes.
And napanood niyo din po bang sinabi niya na si Senator Bato ay kasama doon sa Davao Death Squad?
Narinig ko po, Your Honor.
And of course, you've heard already that Las Cañas is also confirming that there is Davao Death Squad.
Sa kanya, si Arturo Las Cañas po ang may sabi din sa kanya.
Yes, and even Matobato is confirming that there is Davao Death Squad.
Matubato. Yes, Your Honor.
And even Jose Basilio is confirming that there is Davao Death Squad.
Basilio, I do not know Basilio, Your Honor.
But of all the names that I have mentioned, I hope you realize that the President himself confirms the existence of Davao Death Squad, and you are denying Davao Death Squad.
I did not, Your Honor. Narinig ko lang, Your Honor. I am not answerable for Presidente, Your Honor.
Yes, but you are with the President since 1988 to 2008,
Yes,
and
Your
I am inclined to believe that you know almost all the activities of the President. Tama po ba ako?
Hindi lahat.
And when the President say that he confirms that there is Davao Death Squad, then it means that there is really Davao Death Squad. And if you deny that, then somebody is telling a lie. If the President confirms this already, I do not understand why you keep on denying Davao Death Squad.
Sa akin po, Your Honor, narinig ko lang. So, kung nagsabi ang Presidente, narinig ko sa kanya.
Before I end my interpellation, Mr. Chair, may I request the Secretariat to please flash the two pictures of the President with Mr. Buenaventura. Can we have the two pictures, Secretariat, please? This is only to bolster the fact that Mr. Buenaventura has been with the President since 1988 up to 2008. And for 20 years that he was working with President Duterte, then Mayor Duterte of Davao City. I wish to submit, Mr. Chair, that he is aware of all the activities then of Mayor Duterte. Secretariat. For my last question, Mr. Buenaventura, ang sabi niyo po kanina, mabait si Mayor Duterte. You confirm that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung ibabalik ko po yung inyong nakaraan and if you will be given the choice, sino pong gusto nyong maging principal nyo ulit? Si Mayor Duterte po ba ulit?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's how you admire, idolize, respect, and care for the former president. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in the scale of 1 to 10, Mr. Buenaventura, if we will be assessing your loyalty and dedication to the former president, paano nyo ho ba gradean yung level ng loyalty at dedikasyon nyo sa former president?
10.
1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest.
10.
And with a grade of 10, you will not say anything that will harm the president, yes or no?
Sorry, ma'am.
And with a grade of 10, ibig sabihin, yun po ang pinakamataas na loyalty at dedication na ibinibigay nyo sa President. You will not say anything that will harm the President.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
To the extent that you will make misrepresentation to save the President. Yes or no?
Sorry po. But what do you mean, Your Honor?
To the extent that you will be making misrepresentation to save the former President. Tama po ba yun? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
With that, Mr. Chair, then I wish to believe that the representations that he is giving
Mr.
to us
Chairman,
right now,
Can you kindly
not
translate that
entirely
to Tagalog? Para
Mr. Buenaventura,
Sorry.
kanina po tinanong
sorry
ko
na.
kayo
Sorry, Your Honor.
kung atin pong gragraduhan ang inyong loyalty at dedication sa inyong naging principal for a period of 20 years. One is the lowest and 10 is the highest.
Ted po.
Ganon po kataas ang loyalty at dedikasyon nyo sa dating presidente. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At dahil sa napakataas ng inyong loyalty at dedikasyon sa kanya, hindi po kayo magsasabi ng kahit na anong ikakapahamak niya. Tama po ba o mali?
Tama po.
At kung kailangan nyo pong magsinungaling, magsisinungaling kayo, mailigtas nyo lamang siya.
Hindi po.
Tama po o mali?
Hindi po.
Because you are loyal and dedicated to the former president.
Wala
At
na po.
kung kailangan nyo pong magsinungaling to save the former president, gagawin nyo rin pong magsinungaling. Tama po o mali? Tama. Because you graded your loyalty and dedication by 10. At kung kailangan nyo pong ialay ang buhay nyo, mailigtas lamang ang dating Pangulo, gagawin nyo din po ba yon?
Yes, Your Honor.
See? Kung kaya nyo pong ialay ang buhay nyo, mailigtas ang dating Pangulo, the more reason na kaya nyong magsinungaling, mailigtas lang ang dating Pangulo. Can we please flash the pictures? Next picture, please. The two old pictures. There. Maaari niyo po bang ituro sa amin dyan? Sino po ba kayo dyan?
Yung nakatindig po, nakaputi.
Yun pong nakatayong nakaputi.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino po yung may bilog doon sa gitna?
Si dati presidente po.
At sino naman po yung mga kasama ninyo sa picture?
Taga-media po.
Taga-media. Saan po ba kuha itong letratong ito?
Sa kwan po, sa Turil, yung sa lang Ayala gani. Eden Bayabas po, hindi pa yon, wala pa yung,
Mga anong taon po ba kuha itong letratong ito?
hindi ko lang maalala. Hindi ko lang maalala, Your Honor.
Approximate year lang po. Perhaps you can base it on the looks of the former president. Batang-bata pa po siya dito. If you started in 1988,
Early 90s, Your Honor.
early 90s, so mayor na po si President Duterte during that time.
Yes, Your Honor.
As early as then, gano'n na po kayo ka-close dito sa ating dating Pangulo, no? Kasi kahit mga media ang kasama, kayo pa rin ang kasama niya. Tama po ba?
Ako kasi ang security driver, Your
Is
Honor.
Turil outside Davao City?
Within Davao City,
Within
Your Honor.
Davao City. Can we flash the next picture, please? Sino po kayo dito, Mr. Buenaventura?
Wala po ako dyan, ma'am.
Wala po kayo. Sino po yung may bilog na naka-shades?
Hindi po ako yan, ma'am.
Sino nga po? Yung may bilog na naka-shades, if you can identify him. Nakikilala niyo po ba siya?
Hindi po, hindi po.
I think nakikilala ko po siya. He's the former president. Tama po ba?
Ay, yung isa, ma'am. Yung dalawa kasi nakabilog, ma'am. Yung isa, ma'am, hindi ko kilala. Itong isa, ma'am, kilala ko.
He's the former president. At ito pong nasa bandang kaliwa, sino po ba yon?
Hindi ko kilala yan, ma'am.
Hindi niyo po nakikilala. Yun pong nasa likod.
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi niyo rin po kilala. But at least the first picture, Mr. Chair, shows that as early as 1990s, Mr. Buenaventura is already with the President, and having spent 10 years of his police career with the President during the time as mayor of Davao City, I wish to believe that he has given so much loyalty and dedication to the President, as proven by his recent answers. Ang sabi po niya, kung kailangan niyang ialay ang buhay niya to save the President, gagawin niya. At kung kailangan niyang magsinungaling to save the President, magsisinungaling siya. I submit, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congresswoman Jinky Luistro.